So, happy 6 YouTube. So, pinost ko na yan sa Instagram kanina. Follow me on Instagram at rcpalacis02 IKDC. Follow me on Twitter at rcpalacis02. And like my Facebook page, YouTuber RC Palasi. So, watch. Dahil ang kalbuhan ay magaganap na ata. So, tingnan natin kung masusurprise ba ako o sila ang masusurprise. So, itong buhok na to, wala ba o hindi. So, let's watch and learn, guys!
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Rain Carl and today is the day ang do or die sa semifinals ng Ginebra San Miguel at ng San Miguel. Nakakalitan na. So, nakaka 6,647 views na tayo. But, di tayo titigil hanggang sa dulo. Pero, tingnan natin laban ng Kung mananalo ang Ginebra, hindi mo na magpapagupit. Kasi kalbuhan tayo, sayang yung pera. Pero kapag natalo naman ang Ginebra, ayos. Napakaayos po nun. So, yeah. Tingnan na natin. So, yan lamang ng Ginebra. Lumamang panalo! Medyo kayo pahiya. Okay, labas. 2.3 seconds remaining.
Didn't even get to
15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ito ang score. Mahaba na sa Miguel. Pero ito! Yun! Sige! 5 seconds remaining.
Definitely foul before the player goes in the act of shooting. So medyo hit yung kanilang foul doon, kaya 2 free throws bibigay kayo.
Okay, 2 free throws.
2 for 2.
Eto na!
9 points in the game para sa
didn't even get to
2! 1! Ah!
6 seconds wait to each. This is known as the buzzer, so Barangay Nebra.
Yun totoo. Visit tayo! Eto na, nasa Ginebra ang bola!
The goal, itong Nebra and the 3-point
Yun! Kuha! Five! 4! Oy! 2! 1!
didn't even get to
Yung 7-point lead.
Ano? Nangyari sa inyo Ginebra na sana?
Oh, this is not a common sight. What we're seeing is a deflated.
So ito na ang laban ng San Miguel. Fourth quarter, ang score natin ay 89-117 in favor of Barangay Ginebra at may kumakatok! Bakit? Ay, mali. Bakit? And this is it!
didn't even get to
No shot locks. At tapos na ang labanan.
This has been 3 years in the making. 2013, mula nung huli silang nakapasok sa finals, may pagkakataon sila.
So, kita ka ng buhok sa finals.
Last time they won in 2008.
Sige, goodbye.